So this is my Visual Studio Code editor. I just clicked on it to start it. If you don't know where to start it, you just go to here and type VS Code. Okay, that's it. Now it started. I have to create a new folder and then start coding in Go. Now you need to know that there is a special folder where I put all my files. You can do yours on your desktop. This is my MacBook, and the folder is htdocs. This is where I put all my coding projects. All right. So there are many ways to start a project in VS Code, and the simple way is to create a new folder on this page. So on this page, I'm just going to create a new folder, and we're going to call it GoToot. That's it, and I'll open it. So GoToot, open GoToot, and I can open a new VS Code. Just go back a little. Where is my GoToot? GoToot, right click and then open a new terminal. New terminal, add folder. If you're a programmer, this shouldn't be hard for you. So once new terminal is opened, this is the new terminal. It's opened. Now we can, from here, create open VS Code. So the new terminal is opened here. So I can do code dot. This is one way to open VS Code. So it's going to open new VS Code for me. But also I can just, it's opening here, but also I can just click on open folder and then find the GoToot folder and then open it here. So this is my folder. Remember that yours can be anywhere. And in case you don't know, in Mac, you can drag a folder into this panel. So we know what we called it. We called it GoToot. Look at it at the top. And backward, sorry. Select GoToot and then open. Now we have a new project in our VS Code. And the first file I'll create is call it any name, but I'm just going to call mine main.go. So there's this button here that says create new file. So following it, we're going to create a new file. Click once, main.go. So your Go files will always end with .go. All right, so now let's try and write a basic code in Go, just a hello world. So package.main import fmt. So this is what you use to print to screen font. So Go is more like it's fundamentally, but syntactically it's like a mix of JavaScript and Python. Doesn't require what do you call it, colons as ending colons. So this is how to add a comment, and this is another comment, and so on. So we're going to use fmt print line. If you have written Java, you'll be conversant with print line. Hello world from the partner. In case you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me. All right. Okay, so we're done and we save. Now we're going to run this. To run this, you go to the terminal, and this is my terminal. Open. I'm going to pull this down, sorry. So I find my terminal by clicking these three dots. First off, I just want to arrange my text editor. Yeah. This is terminal. In case you don't see it, you click on these three dots and select terminal. This is terminal. And I'm just going to type go run hello world. Hello.go. Go run hello.go. And this is what I just typed. I hit enter. No, not hello. This is actually main.go. So make sure that you are in the same folder. As you can see, I'm in the GoToot folder. If you're running from your terminal and you're not in this folder, you're going to have issues. Click this. Keep your eye on the terminal and you will see the result of this. It's going to process this and give us the result. So as you can see, it says hello world from dev partner, exactly as we wrote here. The importance of this is to prove to you that your Go is set up correctly. If you don't see this, that means Go is not set up on your directory path. So you have to go to Google and search for how to add Go to my directory path. You understand? You mention your system, Mac, Windows, or whatever. Okay. So getting to this point means that everything is set up correctly. Then we can actually start writing some extra code. So let us look at line separators in Go. You know what a line separator is? This colon. All right. Go compiler internally adds this. So once you hit the enter button, it is already added in the internally when compiling. So you don't have to add it physically. All right. So let's print these two lines and see how whether it's gonna print on the same line or in two different lines. Okay, hello world from dev partner. This is the second line. Okay, save, and then we run. So here, in case you want to pull up your previous command, you just press the up arrow key on your keyboard. So I pressed it and I found my previous command. No need to retype the command, and I hit enter. And there we go. A few seconds. As you can see, they are printed in two different lines. So I hope you get an idea of how Go handles its line separator. All right. So finally, before we round up, what happens if you accidentally add a semicolon? Like some of us do, if you're coming from PHP background, you see yourself accidentally adding it. So I've added it now, save. Let's see if it's going to give us an error. Run. And look at the bottom of your screen and let's see how it goes. As you can see, it ran without giving any errors. Okay, so you're safe if you accidentally add semicolon in your code. So see you in the next video where we go into data types in Go. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow my videos. All right.